How to get a $50 PlayStation Store voucher for free using Funds Zap. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get a $50 PlayStation Store voucher for free. No strings attached, no catch. It's completely legit. I'll walk you through everything you need to know. So let's get started. Here's proof that this works. As you can see, I'm on my PlayStation Store, and I just redeemed a $50 voucher. It was really simple. I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a second. So there you go, $50 added to my account. It's in US dollars, but it'll automatically convert to your local currency when you redeem it. Now, let's move on to how you can get your hands on this free voucher. First things first, head over to fundszap.com. Type the URL into your browser. FundsZap is a super reliable site where you can find amazing offers, including PlayStation Store vouchers. Once you're on the site, find the section with PlayStation voucher codes. You'll see different values like $50, $100, and sometimes even higher amounts. Just select the $50 voucher code, and you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now, in order to unlock your voucher, you'll need to complete some quick and easy tasks. These are simple actions like downloading apps, watching a video, or engaging with content for a short time. Don't worry, none of these tasks are complicated, and they don't take long to complete. Pick a task from the list. For example, you may need to open and run an app for a few seconds, or complete a simple action like watching a short video. Once you've completed the required tasks, return to FundsZap, refresh the page, and your $50 PlayStation Store voucher code will be unlocked. It's that simple. Now, take that code, head over to the PlayStation Store, go to the Redeem Code section, and paste in the code you just unlocked. Press Continue, and you'll see that the $50 voucher has been successfully applied to your account. And that's it. You've just scored a $50 PlayStation Store voucher for free. How awesome is that? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.